Here we are. Well, we boated out of Whittier, undisclosed location. We are going berry picking. What a beautiful day. Ground's a little sloppy. There's some sea otters out there just a second ago, but they kind of dove down. So let's see what we're looking for. There's everybody, and over here's what we're looking for: the blueberries. Yum! Blueberry pancakes or blueberry jam, whatever. So some of the kids found out these little streams right here are up to about their knees. Kind of deceptive on how deep they are. There we all are, picking berries. Going to town. What a beautiful day. Don't know where those sea otters went, but they were just out there a second ago. So this is why we're here. Look at all these blueberries just everywhere back in here. Oh yeah. Look at them all. And they're huge. The size of that thing. That's a nice blueberry. Here's my bucket. And here we are. This ground is really sloppy wet, and I've already bit it and fallen once. And just let that sink in right there. So beautiful. Got the place to ourselves. And I am on my second bucket of blueberries. And not too long. And you probably can't see them. There's some sea otters way out there. Ooh. Just beautiful. So yeah, came out of Whittier this morning. On the other side of Whittier, it was raining, but came through and the sun's starting to poke out. It's not raining. Water is nice, smooth.